How to unarchive story on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unarchive story on Instagram. Now this works for both iPhone and Android, so let's get started. First, you'll need to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. You can simply go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram, and if you see an update available, tap on update and update the app. After you've done that, simply open up your Instagram, and if you have just archived your story that you just put on, or if you want to unarchive a story that you have previously uploaded, you can simply go to your profile section, tap on the three lines on the top right. After you tap on it, you will see the archive option. Tap on archive, and there you will see your stories archives. Now here, if you want to unarchive a story, you'll just have to open it up. Tap on the three dots, and here you will see share as a post and save photo. The one that we want to do is not this. You can tap on share here, and after you tap on share, you can simply upload it back to your story. So let us do that, and it's back on my story now. Now you can do the same for the ones that you previously uploaded to. You can add these to your highlights, and that will unarchive your story on your Instagram. And that is all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.